Hello, my name is Maria Helena Nona Astrid, and now I will tell you about unforgettable moment in the past. There are many moments in the past that maybe people will not forget, and usually these moments are very important moments or maybe bad moments. Just like me, I also have some moments that I can forget. The moment that I will never forget is the birth of my brother. When my little brother was born, my life literally lit up. The birth of my younger brother is the intention of the prayer that I have been praying to God. I can really feel like an older sister when my little brother comes into the world. Besides the birth of my brother, there are moments that until now I will never forget. It was then that I first saw my talent in front of a large crowd. At the time, I was very nervous, but I believed that it was my chance to show my true self. Since then, I am no longer ashamed to appear in front of many people. That's the moment I can't forget until now. Thank you.